begin. Staying side reach. Stand tall. Lift one arm and lean gently to the side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Neck release stretch. Gently drop your ear toward your shoulder. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Release tension. Open chest stretch. Stand or sit. Open your arms wide and lift your chest. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Release tension. Standing forward fold. Stand tall. Hinge at the hips. Let your head and arms hang. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Half lift stretch. From a forward fold, lift your torso halfway. Spine long. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Seated arm circles. Sit tall. Rotate arms in circles. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Move gently. Seated side bend. Sit tall. Reach one arm overhead and bend gently to the side. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Butterfly pose. Sit tall. Soles together. Knees relaxed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Knees to chest. Lie on your back. Hug knees in. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Easy seated breathing pose. Sit comfortably. Spine tall, hands on knees. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Stay calm.